welcome to Cowley Hall, room 256. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how the AV systems work in here. The AV system in this room is quite simple because we only have two options, a document camera and a laptop. In order to power up the room, the first thing we're going to do is move to this controller, which is going to control all the different functions for us. And in the upper left-hand corner here is our display. Right now you can see that the light highlights in the off position. So if I just push the on button one time, that's going to power up the projector. And it's going to take about a minute for the projector to power up. So we're not going to want to do anything until it's ready. And while that's happening, I'll show you where the laptop connections are. Right up on the top of the desk here is a little trap door. Most of the time the cables are hanging out of here a little bit. Inside this trap door is the audio cable, the video cable, and the network cable. And there's also down inside here a power source. That way you don't have to worry about relying on battery, and you don't have to run your cable all the way across the floor and worry about tripping up. I'm going to take my video cable and I'm going to plug it in to the video port on my laptop. Then I'm going to take this audio cable and plug it into the headphone jack. And I'm also going to let you know that any device with a headphone jack, we can get the audio out of it and into the room. If you wanted to hook your MP3 player or your iPod or something up, this would be the way you do it. Then I'm going to open up my laptop. I'm going to ensure that laptop is pressed on the source select on my controller over here. So laptop is connected, and right now we're not seeing anything on the screen, and that's because I haven't told my laptop that we're going to send a signal to an external projector. So to do this on a Windows machine, I'm going to hit the function button on the bottom row, and then I'm going to hit the F8 button. And on some computers, that's going to automatically scroll to a different setting. On my computer, it brings up a little window. And I'm going to move from computer only, which is why we're only seeing it on my computer, over to duplicate, so that it's not only on my computer, but it's also on the screen to my left. The other thing that we have in this room is a document camera. So I'm going to go ahead and power on the document camera in the upper left-hand part here. Then I'm going to ensure that I hit the doc cam button on my controller over here so that the document camera shows up on the screen. On the upper portion of the document camera are my advanced controls where I can zoom out or I can zoom in, and then I can change from autofocus to manual focus or use the other advanced features of the document camera. If you need to adjust the volume of the audio that you have done on your laptop or any other device that you're using, there's a little volume knob right here on the controller. If you turn it to the left, it turns it down, and you can see how the LED lights went away, showing that the volume is lower. And if I turn it to the right, my volume is going to increase. And when I'm all finished, I'm going to make sure and go back to my display selection here, and I'm going to press the off button one time, and that's going to power my projector off, and it's going to save the projector bulb for the university. If you have any questions at all, there's also an instruction sheet right here that kind of runs through in written form what I just talked about. And also in the upper right hand corner are the names and phone numbers of our great academic technology staff that are willing to help you at any time and with anything you need. So give us a call and we're happy to help. Thank you.